In this video, you will learn how to turn off the auto downloader in the Truecaller app. Open Truecaller app, launch the Truecaller app on your Android or iPhone, then make sure you're logged into your account using your credentials. Go to the settings menu, tap on your profile icon or three-dotted menu in the top right corner, then select settings from the drop-down list. Navigate to messaging or chat settings. Go through the settings option, then tap on messaging or chat, depending on your app's version. Find the auto download option. Locate the auto download media or auto downloader settings, which controls the automatic downloading of images, videos and other media files. Turn off auto downloading. Toggle the switch to auto disable the download button for media files. You can customize it by downloading only certain or wipe out preferred. Save and exit settings. Once disabled, press back or exit the settings menu. Truecaller will now automatically download media files from the chat. Now you know. Now you know how to turn off auto downloader in the Truecaller app. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.